profibus station in the Hardware Configuration Editor. Let's begin by selecting your station, then double-click Hardware to open the Hardware Configuration Editor. Some CPUs, such as this one, have an interface port that can be configured as Multi-Point Interface, abbreviated MPI, or can be configured as Profibus Decentralized Periphery, abbreviated DP. By default, the interface port is in MPI. Since we will be connecting the ET200S station through Profibus, we will need to change this port to Profibus. Double-click to open the interface port's properties. Under the interface type, click the drop-down arrow and change the interface port to Profibus. The interface port's address by default will be 2. Now we will need a Profibus network. Next to Networked, click the Properties button. Then click the New button. A Profibus network will be created. Click the Properties button at right if you wish to change the name or network transmission speed. You can also change the interface port's address to something other than 2 if desired. Click OK. Click OK again. If your hardware catalog is not displayed, go to the View menu and choose Catalog. To add the ET200S interface module to the Profibus network, click the plus next to the Profibus DP in the Catalog Standard profile. Drop down the category ET200S. The module in our rack is an IM151-1 high feature module. The order number is 6ES7 151-1BAO2-0AB0. Highlight the first IM151-1 high feature or HF module and check the order number at the bottom of the catalog window. Continue down the tree until you find the correct order number. Drag it and drop it on the Profibus network line. When the interface module's Profibus Interface Properties window opens, be very careful to choose the address that matches the physical module. The address of our interface module is 4. If you forget to set the address or make the wrong address selection here, you'll have bus and station faults when you download the hardware configuration. Click OK. Now drop down the plus next to the interface module that you added. The compatible submodules will be listed below the main interface module. We will add the submodules in exactly the same order as they are on the physical rack. First, we will need to add the power module. The power module is a standard 24-volt submodule with order number 6ES7 138-4CA01-0AA0. Highlight a power module, check the order number at the bottom of the catalog window, and continue going down the list until the correct order number is found. Drag the module to slot 1 in the Details window. We have 2 high-feature digital input 4-bit modules with order number 6ES7 131-4BD01-0AB0. Locate the correct order number in the catalog and drag it to slot 2. As an alternative to drag and drop, you may also want to highlight the slot in the Hardware Configuration Details window Then double-click the module in the hardware catalog to add it to that slot in the rack. The highlight automatically moves to the next row down. Next, we have two high-feature digital output 4-bit modules with order number 6ES7 132-4BD00-0AB0. Locate the correct order number in the catalog and double-click twice to add them to the rack. The Profibus DP ET200S station is now complete. Click the Save and Compile button, and then download the hardware configuration. To verify that the station downloaded successfully and is up and running, click the Online button. This shows that the hardware system is up and running. If any station had faults, it would show here with red marks. Watch the troubleshooting and diagnostic videos to learn how to troubleshoot an S7 hardware system. This concludes the video on adding an ET200S Profibus